Welcome back to our channel Inside Medical Education. Today I will discuss about an important homeopathic medicine for gastric ulcer and malignancy of gastrointestinal tract, that is Hydrastis canadensis. So let's begin. Common name of Hydrastis canadensis or golden seal. This remedy have a special affinity on mucous membrane, relaxing them and producing a thick, yellowish, ropey secretion. The catarrh may be anywhere: throat, stomach, uterus, urethra. It is always characterized by this peculiar mucus discharge. Hydrastis is especially active in old, easily tired people, ascetic individuals with great debility, cerebral effects prominent, head cleared, facile expression, weak muscular power, poor digestion and obstinate constipation. Lumbago, emaciation and prostration. Its action on the liver is marked. Cancer and cancerous state before ulceration, when pain is principal symptoms. Goiter of puberty and pregnancy, smallpox internally and locally. The power of Hydrastis over smallpox seen in modifying the disease, abolishing its distressing symptoms, shortening its course, lessening its danger and greatly mitigating its consequence. Head symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are dull, pressing frontal pain, especially connected with constipation, myalgic pain in scalp and muscles of neck. These symptoms also marked in simisa fuga. Eczema on forehead along line of hair, sinusitis after coryza. Ear symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are roaring, mucopurulent discharge, deafness, eustachian catarrh with high-pitched voice. Nose symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are thick, tenacious secretion from posterior nares to throat, watery excoriating discharge, ozena with ulceration of septum, tends to blow nose all the time. Mouth symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are peppery taste, tongue white, swollen, large, flabby, slimy, show imprint of teeth as if scalded. Stomatitis, ulceration of tongue, fissures toward the edge. Throat symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are follicular pharyngitis, raw, smarting, excoriating sensation, hawking of yellow tenacious mucus. Child is aroused suddenly from sleep by this tenacious post-nasal dropping. Goiter of puberty and pregnancy. Stomach symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are sore feeling in stomach more or less constant, weak digestion, bitter taste, pain as from a hard-cornered substance, gone feeling, pulsation in epigastrium, cannot eat bread or vegetables, atonic dyspepsia, ulcers and cancer. Gastritis. Abdomen symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are gastroduodenal catarrh, liver torpid, tender, jaundice, gallstones, dull dragging in right groin with cutting sensation into right testicles. Back symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are dull, heavy, dragging pain and stiffness, particularly across lumbar region. Must use arms in raising himself from seat. Rectum symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are prolapsed, anus fissured, constipation with sinking feeling in stomach, and dull headache. During stool, smarting pain in rectum. After stool, long-lasting pain. Hemorrhoids, even a light flow exhaust. Contraction and spasm. Urine symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are gilety discharge, urine smells decomposed. Male symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are gonorrhea, second stage, discharge thick and yellow. Female symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are erosion and excoriation of cervix, leukorrhea worse after mens, acrid and corroding shreddy, tenacious, menorrhagia, pruritus vulvae with profuse leukorrhea, sexual excitement, tumor of breast, nipple retracted. Respiratory symptoms of Hydrastis canadensis are chest raw, sore, burning, dry, harsh cough, bronchial catarrh, later stage, bronchitis in old, exhausted persons with thick, yellow, tenacious expectoration, frequent fainty spells with cold sweat all over, feels suffocating when lying on left side, pain from chest to left shoulder. Skin symptoms of hydrangeal canadensis are eruption like variola, lupus, ulcers, cancerous formation, general tendency to profuse perspiration and unhealthy skin. So friends, this is the video on symptomatology of hydrangeal canadensis. Hopefully this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching.